Yun, no? May bagong dating, guys, from YOLO Park. Fresh na fresh to, as in ngayon lang siya dumating. Ayan, no? YOLO Park. Actually, may nintay talaga akong package sa kanila. Pero this one, mukhang maliit yung box eh. And check natin kung anong laman, ha? Ito na! O, kayo muna sumili pa. So, anong laman? O, anong laman? Meron ba? Uy, wow! Wow! Merry Christmas! Aba, may pasulat sa atin si YOLO Park. Dear friends, as the holiday season
fills the air with warmth and joy, we want to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude for you. Your incredible support and dedication over the past year. Your hard work and collaboration have been the driving force behind our shared creativity and success. Together, we've turned ideas into reality and we couldn't have done it without you. This Christmas, we wish you and your loved ones endless happiness and peace. May the holiday season bring you renewed energy and inspiration as we look forward to a new year filled with exciting opportunities and challenges. Let's continue building a brighter future together, chasing our dreams and achieving greatness as a team. From all of us at YOLO Park, we send our warmest wishes for a joyful Christmas and a prosperous new year. Thank you for being such an integral part of our journey. We can't wait to see what we'll accomplish together in 2025. With heartfelt appreciation,
the YOLO Park team! Oh yeah! Thank you so much din naman talaga, YOLO Park. Eto na yung mga laman, guys! Una, meron tayo ditong stickers! Ang daming stickers, guys! Ang daming stickers yan! Ang ganda nito, oh. Ang ganda ng color, ng Optimus Prime na yan. Ang ganda, ang dami! Nice! Yan po, oh. Dami! Ganda! Ay, ganda sa shockwave, oh. Mukhang makapal yung stickers. So, para siyang naka-emboss yung sticker. Hindi siya basta parang papel. Ganda! And next, we have here, refrigerator magnets. Ayun, no? Bakal. This one is metal badge. Ooh. Saka pwedeng gamitin itong metal badge na to. Pero this one is face ni Orion TX. And bakal din. Ito pa. Rotate badge. Bakit siya rotate badge? Check na natin. Oh, umiikot. Kasi nga naman, rotate badge. Ayan. Ano to? Pwede ko ilagay sa belt ko. No? Tapos bling-bling. Yo, man. Pero ang ganda. And bakal siya. Next, we have here. This one is parang standee. Ayan. Si Orion TX ulit. Tapos, nandito yung parang pinaka-stand niya. Parang siguro yung ganito, yung nakuha natin sa ating Ape-Link. Ayan, no, para siyang standee na acrylic. Ayan. So, parang ganun din yung gagawin natin dito kay Orion TX. So, at least magiging dalawa na sila. And lastly, we have here, nice! Matrix of Leadership! May matrix na ako, guys. Check natin, ha. Keychain siya. Oh my gulay, it's bakal again at umiikot. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung pagkaka-paint sa kanya. Ayan o. Oh, ganda nung pagkaka-paint. Sana ginawa nila tong umiilaw talaga. Tapos ito yung pinaka-strap niya. May transformers talaga dyan. Nice! Ganda! Again, thank you so much, YOLO Park, sa lahat ng mga sinend mo para kay Pinoy Toy Review. Again, watch out for more YOLO Park content dito sa channel natin. Merry Christmas din sa YOLO Park and Happy New Year po sa inyo lahat. Till all are one.